Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and then go to the photos, and here you have selfie photo mirror. So like just for an example, let's take one photo with this feature enabled and now another one with it disabled. So you can see the difference. So as you can see on this one we have lightning from the right side and on this one from the left side. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.